Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aryan Decodes. Today we are going to elevate our vocabulary with the help of 30 sentences. So let's start learning. First question is, my company has dash a new approach to staff meetings. We now have them standing up. And the correct option is adopted. Next question. You can tell a lot by the way members of a family dash with each other. And the correct option is interact. Next question. We were unable to reach an agreement because of the dash between the two groups. And the correct option is conflict. Next question. If we don't dash the artistic skills of young children, they are far less creative as adults. And the correct option is nurture. Next question. There is a very clear relationship dash education and academic success. And the correct option is between. Next question. I have a very close relationship dash my mother. And the correct option is with. Next question. The dash to make quick decisions is vital in an emergency. And the correct option is ability. Next question. In my country, people use their hands and dash a lot when they talk. And the correct option is gesture. Next question. I have very fond dash of my time in Spain. And the correct option is memories. Next question. Children need to learn to accept the consequences dash their actions. And the correct option is off. Next question. My older brother is very dash for his age. He still needs my parents to help him with everything. And the correct option is immature. Next question. Everyone should travel. It really dash the mind. And the correct option is broadens. Next question. I can't eat peanuts because I am dash to them. And the correct option is allergic. Next question. Some forms of this disease are dash and can last for 5 years or more. And the correct option is chronic. Next question. Unfortunately, scientists have been unable to find a dash for this complaint. And the correct option is cure. Next question. The man was put into an isolation ward because the disease was highly dash. And the correct option is infectious. Next question. After several hours, the doctor was finally able to give us his dash. John had broken his ankle. And the correct option is diagnosis. Next question. Eating fatty foods can damage your dash. And the correct option is health. Next question. You can't always play it safe. Sometimes you need to dash a risk. And the correct option is take. Next question. It's important to set yourself clear dash so you know what you are aiming for. And the correct option is goals. Next question. She is very dash. All she cares about is clothes and expensive cars. And the correct option is materialistic. Next question. I like making things with my own hands. It gives me a lot of dash. And the correct option is satisfaction. Next question. I always try to keep a positive dash on life. And the correct option is outlook. Next question. The cost of dash has risen dramatically in the last few years. And the correct option is living. Next question. The researchers dash many experiments to find the most effective materials. And the correct option is conducted. Next question. Children who do not learn to read before they finish dash school struggle throughout the rest of their education. And the correct option is primary. Next question. My tutor has some very interesting dash on how students learn. And the correct option is theories. Next question. We had to cancel the project due to the lack of dash. And the correct option is funding. Next question. We had to cover the rest of the dash ourselves while our teacher was ill. And the correct option is syllabus. And the last question is, I can already speak 3 languages, but I would really like to dash to speak Chinese. And the correct option is learn. Friends, these were the sentences that would help you accelerate in learning a language. Please let me know if you like this video. I am looking for your comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. The button would be below. I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye and take care.